So we're dealing with exponents. Exponents, or powers, is where we multiply a number by itself a certain number of times. In this code, our method is named power n, and it takes two integers, two whole numbers that are both going to be bigger than 0, one which is the base, and then one which is the exponent itself, the n, 3. So in this case, what we're looking to get is the result of 7 to the third, or 7 cubed, which is going to be equal to 343. It's not exactly in view, but there you go. That's the number we're looking for. It's 343. So let's start off where we pass the method 7 and 3. So we see that 3 is not equal to our base case, 1. And so what we do instead is we return the result of calling our method still with the same base. We have to continue passing that along, but give it n minus 1, which in this case is 3 minus 1. And eventually return that times the base, which is 7. So that's what it is at 7.3. So our next call happens at 7.2, because we're calling 7 and 3 minus 1. So at this point, we check, we see 2 is not equal to 1, so we return the result of power n of 7 and 2 minus 1 times the base, which is 7. So our last one comes up, and it's going to be 7, 1, and we know it's our last because now we finally hit our base case, where 1 equals 1. So that means we just return the base, which is 7. So with that 7 fills in that method call I called it. So that this one up here in the 7.2 becomes 7 times 7, which is cool. That's 49. So then that replaces this call up here, making that be 7 times 7. Oops. Yeah, that didn't really come out well, but still. It replaces that one, so it's now 7 times 7 times 7, which then goes back up to the very top, and it returns that value. 7 times 7 times 7, which is 343. So you might notice that there's some similarities with that and the Fibonacci program, if you looked at that one. Maybe a little simpler because there's only one method called each time, but you'll notice it returns the result of some kind of mathematical operation every time, and that those operations, their results, the products, kind of they keep growing. They keep being strung along. There's more and more of them. All right. So that is how that power n works. There we are. Okay, thanks for watching.